Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Math Manipulatives is probably one of the most essential tools for second graders to grasp fundamental mathematical concepts, transforming abstract ideas into tangible experiences that foster deeper understanding and a love for learning through hands-on exploration and interactive play, making math less intimidating and more accessible for young minds. Number 5. Star Right Math Flashcard Set. Introducing a comprehensive set designed to make learning math easy and fun. These cards cover essential operations for young learners. Build a strong foundation in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They are perfect for developing critical math skills for grades 1 through 4. Each card provides 2 equations for extensive practice. Answers are conveniently located on the back for quick checks and reinforcement. Keep everything neat and accessible with the included metal rings. Color-coded borders make sorting and storing these learning tools a breeze. These flashcards blend entertainment with education, sparking creativity while boosting math proficiency. They are ideal for practice at home or in the classroom. This complete set includes everything needed to enhance math skills for students in the 1st to 4th grades. It's a valuable tool for academic success. What we like? This set covers addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, making it a comprehensive tool for foundational math skills. The cards are conveniently organized with rings and color-coded borders for easy sorting. If you are looking for a straightforward, all-in-one flashcard solution for practicing basic operations, this is a great choice for home or classroom drills. What people say. The manipulatives are great for hands-on learning and help students visualize abstract math concepts. This set includes a variety of tools like base 10 blocks, fraction tiles, and pattern blocks, offering comprehensive coverage for second-grade math standards. The durability of the materials ensures they can withstand frequent use in a classroom setting. Number 4. EDXEDUCATION 4-Color Plastic Base 10 Blocks. Introducing a comprehensive 121-piece set of base 10 blocks. This collection includes everything needed for engaging math lessons, perfect for small groups or individual practice. Each place value is represented by a distinct color, making it easy for children to visualize and understand ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. This color coding system aids quick differentiation. Designed with precision, every piece is scored in 1 centimeter increments on all sides. This ensures accuracy for measurement activities and compatibility with standard classroom cubes. Constructed from durable plastic, these manipulatives are built to withstand years of use in any learning environment. Their smooth surfaces are also easy to clean after activities. These blocks transform abstract math concepts into tangible experiences. They are ideal for demonstrating counting, addition, subtraction, regrouping, multiplication, and place value. Specially designed for 1st and 2nd graders, these manipulatives are perfect for both classroom instruction and home learning. They are excellent companions for lessons on regrouping and place value. We are dedicated to creating high-quality educational materials that foster exploration and creativity. Our goal is to help children develop essential skills for a successful future through hands-on learning. What we like? These blocks are color-coded by place value, helping children visualize and understand numbers more easily. They are also scored for accurate measurement work. If you need a durable, hands-on tool to teach concepts like place value, number sense, and measurement to young learners, these are ideal for classroom or home use. What people say. This set includes a variety of manipulatives like base 10 blocks, fraction tiles, and geometric shapes, which are essential for teaching core 2nd-grade math concepts. The manipulatives are durable and made from high-quality materials, ensuring they can withstand frequent use in a classroom setting. The colorful design and tactile nature of these manipulatives make learning math engaging and fun for young students. Number 3. Torlam Magnetic Fraction Tiles and Circles Activity Set. Unlock your child's potential with our engaging math activity set. It's designed to help students master simple fractions through fun, hands-on learning. Discover the world of fractions with 102 foam pieces and 14 activity cards. Children can easily build various fractions and practice writing equations. Crafted from safe, water-washable EVA foam, these pieces are gentle on little hands. The soft magnetic backing allows for easy attachment to iron surfaces. With magnetic backing, these rainbow segments are perfect for whiteboard demonstrations. Their bright colors make distinguishing fractions simple and engaging. This educational toy makes learning fractions easy and enjoyable for elementary students. It's perfect for both classroom and homeschooling environments. Whether you're a child, parent, teacher, or educator, this set provides a fantastic way to learn. Make fractions fun and accessible for everyone. What we like. This set features magnetic fraction tiles and circles, perfect for whiteboard demonstrations and engaging hands-on learning. The foam pieces are safe and easy to grip, and the included activity cards provide guided practice. If you want a visually engaging way to teach fractions with the ability to easily demonstrate concepts to a group, this is an excellent option for elementary students. What people say. The manipulatives are designed to help students visualize abstract math concepts. The set includes a variety of tools like base 10 blocks, fraction tiles, and geometric shapes, offering a comprehensive learning experience. These manipulatives are durable and can withstand frequent use in a classroom setting. Number 2. 9 PCS Math Fidget Spinners. Transform math practice into a fun experience with our vibrant math fidget spinner. This interactive toy makes mastering multiplication and division enjoyable for students. Spin your way to a relaxed learning atmosphere. Our fidget spinner helps alleviate stress and brings unprecedented excitement to math education, turning questions into entertaining challenges. Our compact math fidget spinners are designed for adults to enjoy learning anywhere and anytime. They easily fit into pencil cases, backpacks, or pockets, making them perfect for use at home, in the car, or at school. Looking for an excellent gift? Our math fidget spinner is ideal for adults, friends, or as a party favor. It's a fantastic classroom reward, perfect for treasure boxes, or as a thoughtful back-to-school present. You will get 9 PCS math fidget toys for multiplication. If there is any problem, please contact us, and we will reply to you as soon as possible. What we like. This product transforms math practice into a fun, interactive experience with a fidget spinner design. It's great for mastering multiplication and division while also helping to alleviate stress. If you're seeking a novel and engaging way to practice math facts, especially for students who benefit from kinesthetic learning or need a fun distraction, these spinners are a unique choice. What people say. The manipulatives are durable and have held up well to frequent use. The set includes a good variety of items, such as base 10 blocks, fraction tiles, and pattern blocks, which cover a wide range of math concepts. The clear instructions and accompanying activity cards make it easy for teachers to integrate these manipulatives into their lessons. Number 1. Spectrum Hands-On Second Grade Math Workbook. Unlock the world of math for your 7 to 8-year-old. This workbook makes learning addition, subtraction, and multiplication fun and interactive. With included manipulatives and dry erase activities, children can explore concepts like place value in a tactile way. It's learning they can touch and do. This activity book covers essential second-grade math topics and more. It's designed to build a strong foundation in mathematics. Through engaging exercises, your child will gain confidence in their math abilities. They'll be ready to tackle any mathematical challenge. Whether used for homework help or classroom enrichment, this resource provides valuable practice. It's a great tool to supplement their education. This is volume 54 of a trusted series. It offers a complete and enjoyable math learning experience for young students. What we like. This workbook combines traditional learning with hands-on activities and dry erase components. It covers a wide range of second-grade math topics, including addition, subtraction, place value, and multiplication. If you prefer a structured approach that integrates physical manipulatives and interactive writing practice within a single resource, this is a comprehensive choice for reinforcing second-grade math skills. What people say. The manipulatives are sturdy and colorful, making them engaging for young learners. This set includes a variety of tools like base 10 blocks, fraction tiles, and pattern blocks, which cover a wide range of math concepts. The included activity cards provide clear instructions and engaging problems for students to solve using the manipulatives. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.